This video is going to provide you with valuable insights that will help you take your success to the next level. By learning and implementing these habits, you will be able to make your dreams a reality. Many people dream of success, but few actually achieve it. What makes some reach the top of their respective fields while others fall short? It all boils down to habits. The ones you cultivate will determine your future. If you want to achieve success, you need to make sure you are following the right habits. Number 1. Set goals. The most important habit to cultivate is goal setting. Set clear, achievable goals for yourself and make sure you are taking action to reach them. Setting goals is a necessary habit to develop if you want to be successful at any level. It is important to set clear and achievable goals that are both realistic and measurable. This helps you make sure you are taking the steps you need to take to reach your goal. Furthermore, it is important to be able to track your progress to ensure that you are staying on track and making progress. To be successful, you need to have a plan of action and set goals. This gives you motivation, direction, and clarity. It also helps to keep you focused and accountable for your own success. When setting goals, it is important to break them down into smaller steps in order to make them more manageable and achievable. Additionally, setting deadlines for yourself will help to ensure that you are making steady progress. When setting goals, make sure that they are specific, realistic, and achievable. This will help you make sure you stay on track and get the results you want. Now, habit number 2, visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can be used to help you reach your goals. Visualization involves mentally picturing yourself achieving your desired outcome. When visualizing success, it is important to imagine how it will feel when you reach your goal. Focus on how the feeling of success will make you feel, the satisfaction of a job well done, and the sense of pride that you will experience when you have achieved your goals. This will help to keep you motivated and focused on reaching your desired outcome. Additionally, visualization can also help to reduce stress as it allows you to take a break and refocus on your goals. Visualizing success is a great way to keep yourself motivated and make sure that you are consistently working towards your goals. Habit number 3, plan your time. Time management is key to success. Prioritize your tasks and plan your day accordingly. This will help you stay on track and reach your goals. Time management is the key to success. Prioritizing tasks and planning your day accordingly will help you stay on track and reach your goals. Break up your tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces and give yourself enough time to finish them. When working your task, it is important to stay focused and avoid distractions. It is also important to be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed. Additionally, it is important to take regular breaks throughout the day to keep your mind and body refreshed. Taking regular breaks will help you increase your productivity and keep you focused on the task at hand. Finally, set aside time for yourself and make sure that you are taking the necessary steps to take care of yourself. This will help to ensure that you are energized and motivated to reach your goals. Habit number 4, take action. Taking action is essential for success. Don't just sit and wait for success to come to you. Take action and make it happen. Set goals, visualize success, and manage your time effectively in order to reach your desired outcome. Take action and be consistent in your efforts. Remember that success takes time and dedication, but with a little hard work and dedication, you can make it happen. Habit number 5, network. Networking is an important part of success. Make sure you are meeting and connecting with the right people. Networking is essential in order to build relationships, share ideas, and gain valuable information. Reach out to people in your industry, attend networking events, and join professional organizations in order to build your network. Networking is a great way to stay up to date with the latest trends, find potential job opportunities, and gain valuable business insights. Make sure to keep in touch with the people in your network and build relationships with them to get the most out of networking. Habit number 6, be resourceful. Successful people are resourceful. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and find creative solutions to your problems. Being resourceful means using what you already have to solve problems or get what you want. Successful people have the ability to look at a situation and figure out how to get the most out of what they have. They are willing to take risks and try different approaches in order to achieve their goals. They also know how to use their resources in the most efficient and effective way possible. They often find unconventional solutions to their problems and use their creativity to make things work. Resourcefulness also involves being able to think on your feet and come up with creative solutions in a short amount of time. Successful people are not afraid to take calculated risk and think outside the box. They understand that sometimes the best solutions come from unconventional paths and they are willing to explore these possibilities. They have the courage to try something new or different, even if it means taking a risk. They also have the confidence to trust their instincts and go with their gut feelings. Resourcefulness is a key trait of successful people and it is something that everyone should strive for. It requires you to take initiative, be creative, and think outside the box. It also requires you to have confidence and the ability to think quickly on your feet. Being resourceful doesn't just mean being able to solve problems, it also means being able to see opportunities and take advantage of them. It is about having the courage to take risk and the confidence to trust your instincts. Habit number 7, remain positive. Positive thinking is essential for success. Stay away from negativity and cultivate a can do attitude. Remaining positive is the key to success. It is important to stay away from negative thoughts and feelings and to develop an attitude of resilience and a can do spirit. Negativity can be a real energy drain and make it difficult to move forward in life. Positive thinking allows us to focus on our goals and manifest our desired outcomes. It can also help us to be more creative, to embrace change, and to develop a greater sense of self confidence. Positive thinking can help us stay motivated, take risks, and take on new challenges. When we remain positive, we are more likely to take ownership of our decisions, be accountable, and make the most of our opportunities. Negativity can lead us to doubt ourselves, make excuses, and give up. We can be more successful in all parts of our lives if we stay away from bad influences and work on having a good attitude. Habit number 8, stay focused. Focus is the key to success. Make sure you are staying focused on the task at hand and not getting distracted by anything else. In order to stay focused, it is important to set realistic goals and break them down into achievable tasks. It is also important to prioritize tasks, to create a daily routine, and to stick to it. It is also helpful to have a clear understanding of why you are working towards a particular goal and to focus on the end result rather than the individual steps. If you are feeling overwhelmed by a task, it can be helpful to break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. It is also important to eliminate distractions such as social media, phone calls, and emails while you are working. Taking regular breaks throughout the day can also help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Habit number 9, persevere. Successful people never give up. Don't be afraid to fail and keep pushing forward despite the obstacles. Successful people never give up and persevere despite obstacles. It is important to keep your mind on the task at hand. Realize that failure can teach you something and use problems to your advantage. It is also important to practice self-care and take time for yourself when needed. This can include taking breaks, engaging in hobbies and activities that you enjoy, and making time for family and friends. It is also important to have a strong support system and to reach out to others for guidance and advice. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve and developing a plan of action can also help you stay motivated and remain focused on your goals. Now, last habit number 10, continue to learn. Successful people never stop learning. Make sure you are constantly learning and developing your skills. Successful people understand that learning is an ongoing process. They know how important it is to keep up with the latest trends and technologies if they want to be successful. They are constantly looking for ways to improve themselves, their skills, and their knowledge. They read books, attend seminars, and stay informed of the latest news. They are always looking for ways to expand their knowledge and grow as individuals. Additionally, they are open to new ideas and experiences and are willing to take risks in order to gain new insights and grow. By staying committed to lifelong learning, successful people are able to stay ahead of the competition and achieve their goals. Always remember that success comes from hard work, determination, and dedication. The 10 habits we discussed today are great tools to help you achieve your goals and become successful. Just remember to stay focused, stay positive, and never forget to reward yourself for your successes. With these habits, you will be on your way to achieving your dreams. And now do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, hasta la vista. Peace.